Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going over customization 6 for the FabFitFun Winter Box of 2023. This is going to be the box customization that determines whether or not I feel like FabFitFun is still worth it. So if you are into these types of videos from me, definitely give this video a big thumbs up because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal. Don't forget to subscribe, it would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so like I've been saying in all of my videos, if you've been keeping up, I am not looking at these spoilers until I'm actually reading them. Last category, I definitely got a little surprised with what was in there. I was not expecting it, so I wonder if we're going to have any more of those jump scares, you know? But let me know down below what item in here you're going to choose, which one you would choose second or third. Are you excited about this? Yada, yada, yada. Let me know down below. Let's go. First, we have London Town Ink Frosted Berries Nail Lacquer Duo. It's a $32 value. That's a lot for nail polish. So it says holiday outfits aren't complete without festive nails, and this Frosted Berry Nail Polish Duo is a Christmas staple, providing gel-like wear while encouraging stronger nails with the proprietary Cure Care technology and a blend of botanical oils and extracts. You'll have a professional level mani from the comfort of your own home. No, this is so boring. Like, really? No. And the colors aren't even like anything interesting. Anyways, next up we have a product that I haven't seen in a very, very long time. I feel like out of all my subscription boxes, I've had like everything 111 Skin has to offer. So this is the Celestial Black Diamond Brightening Essence. It's a $43 value. Man, I haven't seen this stuff in forever. Okay. This lightweight skincare must-have is enriched with anti-aging peptides fused with fine diamond particles, aiding a complexion that appears more lifted, firmer, brighter, and more even. Interesting. Okay. Next, we have from the brand Versed Skin, the Pressed Restart Gentle Retinol Serum with a $21.99 value. We know by now that retinol is a must in any skincare regimen, and the serum from Versed is a unique option that is gentler than more traditional forms of retinol, suited for people with sensitive skin or who are new to the retinol game. Complete with antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, the only thing you'll be waking up to is better skin. Okay. Next, from the brand Hanky Panky, we have wash and wear bags. It's a $36 value. It says no chance for a mix-up here. These wash and wear bags organize and separate clean and dirty clothes during your travels. They also keep all your worn clothes in one place, so you can easily throw them all in the wash when you get home. Anything that makes laundry easier is a win for us. I've actually never thought about this. I don't travel, and this is actually like a great idea. You know, when I do, I just kind of like have everything, and I don't wear everything sometimes, and you just throw it all in the laundry anyways. This is actually kind of smart for people who travel. I'm sure like people who travel already know about this, but I've never seen this before, so that's pretty cool. Next up, from Caraway, we have a pot holder round set of 2. $30 value? Girl. These super soft yet incredibly heat resistant pot holders will be your kitchen go-to as you whip up all your favorite, your holiday favorites. The double layer wards off heat like a pro. It also doubles as a trivet and works as effectively to protect your tables as it does your hands. They have a million beautiful cute ones at TJ Maxx. If there's something else in this category you want, pick it. You don't need this. And the $30 value, Next up, from the brand Sassy Wolf, this is a Leash and Potty Pal combo, which is a $31.98 value. It says this adorable leash will have your furry bestie proudly strutting around town, showing off their love for puppuccinos in the cutest way. The best part for you, they're human, is that oh, yeah, you're human, is that the matching Potty Pal holds their used waste bag, so walks are now even more enjoyable. I don't have to walk my dogs for them to go potty, so but I like the leash. The leash is super cute. I have 7 dogs. I could always use another leash. Next up we have from Marilyn Schiff, the double layered necklace, which is a $38 value. It says the easiest way to enjoy the layering trend. This double layered necklace is a 2-in-1 dainty elegant piece that will complement and perfect any look this season and beyond. This is actually also really cute. Like I mentioned in another video, gold jewelry is my thing now. I've recently realized that I'm a gold girl, so I think that this is really pretty. Now that we've done all of the spoilers for customization number 6, what would I pick? Okay, well, nail polish, not a good one. I think out of everything, I would go with the necklace. This is a very underwhelming category, especially for it being the last one. But I also mentioned in my other videos that usually the last couple categories just feel like they're just throwing things in there and you just have to dive in and pick one, even though you really don't kind of want any of it. But the necklace for sure, the leash second. I can always use more leashes, and I would go probably with the wash bags and wear bags, and I would gift those. I don't know, but anyways, do I think out of everything that I've gone through, do I think FabFitFun is still worth it? It's $60 a month, right? Yes. For everything that I said I would have picked first, honestly, I feel like it's still worth it, especially when you're using these boxes and you're thinking like, these few things, I don't know how to explain it. These few things are things that you're going to definitely want to use, but then there's other ones that you're like, okay, I don't really see anything in this category that I want, but I can see that this item here or this item here would be perfect for this person or this person. So it's a very win-win kind of box where it's like, I get some stuff and I also have gifts for like, oh no, I forgot that there's a birthday coming up, but this I've had and this is perfect for you. Because there's people out there that like to stock up on their Christmas gifts throughout the year, whereas I'm very last minute, week of anything. Christmas, it's definitely week of for me. I'm not a pre-planner, but I know a lot of people pre-plan like gifts and stuff, so I feel like FabFitFun has always been a pre-planning, gifting, perfect box with all different categories. I'm a little underwhelmed with the fit. Like, where's the fit in this? The only fit is the block and then the subscription for a month, which was cool. There was a good mixture of like skincare and makeup, maybe a little too much in specific categories, but I would have liked to see more jewelry for sure. But I do like that we have things that are very much geared towards winter, like leave-in conditioners and scents that are very fall, a neutral palette, which is very kind of everyday but could be fall. We have a headbands in a past one, detox scalp scrub, things that are very much like for the holiday season, like the charcuterie type board, the cake tray, things that you can take when you're like hosting or giving, or like the cheese things. Like there's a lot that's very geared towards cozy and winter, like the robe and candles and stuff like that. So I feel like this winter box is actually really good. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below if you're interested. Have you ever subscribed to FabFitFun? Is this your first time? Let me know down below. I definitely wouldn't personally subscribe, but that's because like I just don't have a reason to. I don't have a lot of people in my life that I need to gift things to. But if you're someone who definitely does, this is a perfect subscription for you. But yeah, let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below for customization 6. What are you going to pick? Yada, yada, yada. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!